Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the hidden fees in banking that could end up costing you thousands. Many of us don't realize how these fees sneak into our daily banking routines. Stick with us as we explore the most common charges and how to avoid them. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Number 5, ATM withdrawal fees. ATM withdrawal fees are one of the most common hidden charges in banking, yet many account holders overlook them until they start to accumulate. These fees occur when you use an automated teller machine, ATM, that is not part of your bank's network. Banks charge you for both the ATM operator's fee and their own fee, which can be as much as $5 per transaction. Even if you withdraw a small amount, the fee can be substantial, particularly if you need to make multiple withdrawals. These fees can add up quickly, costing you hundreds or even thousands of dollars over the years, especially if you're a frequent ATM user. Some banks offer fee-free withdrawals at certain ATMs or have partnerships with networks to reduce these costs, but many customers are unaware of such arrangements or don't take the time to research them. It's also important to note that many banks now impose limits on the number of free ATM withdrawals allowed each month. Once you exceed that number, each subsequent withdrawal will incur a fee. This makes it crucial for consumers to be aware of the ATM network their bank operates within and to use in-network ATMs when possible to avoid unnecessary charges. Number 4, overdraft fees. Overdraft fees are a major source of revenue for many banks and can be extremely costly for account holders who are unaware of the potential charges. These fees are charged when you spend more money than is available in your checking account, allowing the bank to process the transaction and overdraw your account. While this may seem convenient in the short term, the fees can be significant, often as much as $35 per transaction. This means that a single misstep in managing your balance could result in multiple fees for a single transaction if you make several purchases or withdrawals in quick succession. For instance, if you buy a cup of coffee for $3 and then a lunch for $12, your bank might charge you 2 overdraft fees, one for each transaction, even though the total is only $15. Additionally, some banks will continue to charge overdraft fees each day until the negative balance is cleared, further compounding the costs. Many people are unaware of these charges because they don't always receive clear warnings, and banks often process transactions in a way that maximizes fees, such as clearing the largest transactions first. To avoid overdraft fees, it's essential to keep a close eye on your account balance and consider opting for overdraft protection options offered by the bank. Number 3, monthly maintenance fees. Monthly maintenance fees are often charged by banks for maintaining an account, and they can vary in amount depending on the type of account you have. These fees are typically imposed on basic checking accounts and can range from $5 to $15 or more each month. Many customers don't realize that these fees are being deducted as they are automatically charged, and the cost adds up quickly over time. In some cases, banks waive the monthly fee if you meet certain requirements, such as maintaining a minimum balance or having a direct deposit set up with your paycheck. However, if you fail to meet these requirements, the fees will be charged regardless. While these fees may seem small individually, they can accumulate to hundreds of dollars annually. For example, a $10 monthly fee can cost you $120 per year. Furthermore, some accounts may charge additional maintenance fees for services like paper statements or if your account balance falls below a certain threshold. Customers should be aware of these fees and ensure they are meeting the necessary criteria to avoid unnecessary charges. By staying informed and regularly reviewing your account, you can avoid being surprised by these hidden fees and manage your finances more effectively. Number 2, foreign transaction fees. Foreign transaction fees are an often overlooked banking cost that can arise when using a debit or credit card outside your home country. These fees are charged when you make purchases or withdraw money from ATMs abroad, and they can significantly impact your travel budget. Typically, these fees range from 1% to 3% of the total transaction amount, depending on your bank or card issuer. While this may seem like a small percentage, it can add up quickly, especially for larger purchases or frequent use of your card while traveling. For example, a $1,000 purchase could result in a $30 fee, And if you make several such transactions, the costs become considerable. Some banks also charge additional fees for currency conversion, which can further increase the overall cost of international transactions. Many consumers are unaware of these fees until they return from their trip and check their statements, often finding themselves facing a significant bill for foreign transaction charges. It's important to research your bank's policies before traveling abroad and consider using a credit card or bank account that offers no foreign transaction fees. By using a bank or card that waives these fees, you can save a substantial amount of money during international travel. Number 1. Paper statement fees. Paper statement fees are a growing concern among bank customers as more banks move toward digital-only banking and charge fees for receiving paper statements. These fees are often a hidden cost that many account holders don't notice until they check their bank statements. Most banks offer electronic statements for free, but if you prefer to receive paper statements in the mail, you may be subject to a monthly fee that can range from $2 to $5 or more. Over the course of a year, this small fee can add up to a significant sum, particularly if you're receiving statements from multiple accounts. For example, if you pay $3 per month for paper statements, that totals $36 annually for just one account. Many people choose paper statements out of habit or because they prefer the physical copy. But this choice comes with a cost that can be avoided by opting for e-statements. While this fee may seem small, it's essential to consider how often it is charged and whether it's worth paying for paper statements, especially since they are becoming less common and less necessary. If you're trying to minimize banking costs, switching to electronic statements is a simple way to save money. Thank you for watching. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of the hidden fees in banking. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated on more financial tips and tricks.